Are Windows Store apps hanging or crashing on Windows 11? Here are quick fixes to solve it. Search CMD in Windows search box. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator, type WS Reset in Command Prompt window and hit Enter key. Now, Store Cache will be reset to the default settings. Reboot your computer to save the changes. Open Windows Store on your device. In Windows Store, click on the three-dot menu on the top right corner, and then click on Download and Updates. In Microsoft Store window, click on Get Updates. The applications will be upgraded. Wait till the applications are updated. Search PowerShell in Windows 11 search box. Right-click on it and run as administrator. Now, copy and paste the command given below, and hit Enter key from keyboard to execute it. Wait for some time to get it executed fully. It will re-register all Microsoft Store apps. Press Windows key plus R key together to open Run command box. Now, type MS Settings, Troubleshoot in it, and click OK. Now, click on Other Troubleshooters to expand it. Now, click on Windows Store apps to run Store Troubleshooters. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.